Alright, let's talk about the Vitala facial wand, also called the Vitali AI skincare wand. I've seen this thing everywhere with flashy ads promising a glow-up that's practically magical. But is it the real deal, or is this one of those too good to be true scams? So, I took the plunge and ordered one myself. First red flag. After I paid, my inbox went silent. No shipping updates, no tracking, just crickets. And, full disclosure, tons of people online have said the same thing. Some of us never even get the wand. But suppose you're one of the lucky ones and it actually arrives. Here's what you're getting. The device uses red light therapy and microcurrent technology. Both of these have some legit science behind them. Red light can help a bit with wrinkles and inflammation, but don't expect miracles. Microcurrent can give you a little lift and reduce puffiness, but, again, it's subtle and only lasts while you use it. Here's where things get shady. The Vitala brand itself has been called out for fake celebrity endorsements, made-up family business backstories, and a ton of sketchy, obviously fake reviews. Plus, the same device is often drop-shipped from websites like AliExpress for a fraction of the price. So here's my honest take. If you really want these skincare benefits, look for trusted brands like Current Body or Foreo, and always check the return policy before buying. Use PayPal or a credit card, just in case. Bottom line? The Vitala wand work if you actually get it, but the business behind it feels like a red flag parade. Save your money for brands you can actually trust.